So this is the box that I've got from Samsung India, and so let's open this thing. Another day and another Galaxy Unpacked kit to unbox. Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. It's that time of the year again when there is another event happening of Samsung. So this time in this video we will be unboxing another Galaxy Unpacked kit. This is the third kit that I will be unboxing on my YouTube channel, and we will be seeing that what's inside this box and how Samsung is going to enhance my viewing experience of the Unpacked event. As you guys know, on 11th of August there is an Unpacked event happening on which Samsung will be releasing some amazing devices, and I'm really excited to see what products are going to be there. For now, we will be unboxing the Unpacked kit that Samsung has exclusively sent me, and we will be seeing what's there inside the box, and we will be having some fun together in this video. So without wasting any time, let's dive into this video. So this is the box that I've got from Samsung India, and I will be unboxing this. I'm really excited to see what's inside here. So without wasting any time, let's peel the cover. First of all, first impressions, the material of the box seems very premium. So let's open this thing. Oh my god, that's nice. Yeah. First of all, this is a personal invite. You can, from TM Row, you can pause this video and read about it for Samsung members. There's a caricature above here, and here is, firstly, let's see. Oh wow, here's a light. I think you can see here, it's a light here. Wow, it seems nice. Let's keep this aside and see what's. And there is a keychain. Oh, that's nice. A nice keychain here. And oh, there is a USB fan here, which I think also has, as you can see from here, actually displays Samsung members when it's rotating. That's empty. This is a type converter for this. What's inside here? And one more thing is there, and this. Oh my god, there are so many things. This is actually a kind of a flag that we can put on during our event. This is very big. I cannot show in this small frame, but you can see here like this. This is the Samsung members flag, and these are some stickers, really good ones. This is amazing. I think these blue is my favorite color. Some of you might don't know, but I love these stickers. More inside, and oh, there's a. So this is actually a carry bag that we got here. We can put so many things inside here. That got opened. This is a carry bag here. This is for augmented reality. Actually, we have to scan this code, and this will display an augmented reality kind of a graphic. And yeah, this is also amazing. These are some glasses that I can wear, and some more keychains. Oh, this is nice again. And this is, let me show it to you. You can see so many things inside here, and that's pretty much it. So the box is very good. Firstly, I would say so many goodies are inside. that was the unboxing of the Galaxy Unpacked kit that Samsung exclusively sent me. I would really like to thank Samsung India for sending me this amazing kit, and also I hope you all enjoyed this video and had fun like I did while shooting this video. Do not forget to register for the Galaxy Unpacked event that's going to be happening on 11th of August. I will be mentioning a link down in the description below where you can register for the event and enjoy the event live like I will do on the 11th of August. And yeah, don't forget to share this video, like and all. And also do tell me down in the comments below for which product you are most excited about that for the Galaxy Unpacked event. And yeah, thanks you again all, and see you soon in a future video.